Oh my goodness, look what I found. It's a billion of them. How do I even get over there? I can't even walk over there. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna kill them? Look at this. There's one inside the flower right there. And like 5 over here. Oh man. So many. I think there's like 6 right there. And then one inside the flower. It's my sunflowers. What do I do? Ah! Y'all, I don't like killing animals, but I researched it and they're more bad than good. So I'm gonna have to sacrifice my sunflower because I think this is a bunch of Asian lady beetles. And if they come in drones, it's not good for the garden. So I don't know how to take them all off at the same time, so I'm gonna have to sacrifice that sunflower. Wow. How do I do this?
Cover it and then cut it. Need help?
Whoa.